In today's video, we are ready to dive into the 10 most exciting features recently unboxed at Canva Create. As we explore each feature, we will show you how they can revolutionize your design experience. Additionally, as a bonus, I will provide a guide on how to bulk create 50+ social media post designs in just 1 minute using Canva AI only, after giving you an update on the latest features in Canva AI. Let's dive right in now. Number 1. Magic Design. Magic Design enables you to effortlessly upload a picture, pick a style, and observe as it transforms into a collection of customized and easily adjustable templates that you can either download or modify further. Number 2. Draw your ideas. Canva launches a fresh approach to drawing on any design. Draw makes it simple to organize your thoughts. Just choose your preferred brush and personalize it with any color or thickness to elevate your designs and make your ideas stand out. Number 3. Translate designs in a click. After crafting your designs, it's crucial to share them globally. Translate will seamlessly convert your designs with just a single click. No more tedious manual translations. All you need to do is insert text into your design, choose the desired language, and instantly translate the text. Number 4. Magic Eraser and Magic Edit. With Magic Eraser, you can effortlessly eliminate unwanted distractions in the blink of an eye. For example, I will remove a tattoo on this hand. Additionally, Magic Edit allows you to replace or insert elements. Simply select the desired part, describe the object, and watch it materialize before your eyes. For instance, exchanging this flower with a rose. Number 5. Beatsync. Simply choose or upload the music track you'd like to use, and with a single click, Beatsync impeccably aligns your clips to the rhythm of your soundtrack, sparing you plenty of time and ensuring a social media ready video in mere moments. Number 6. Magically generate a presentation. Simply provide magic presentation with your concept in a few words, and observe as it rapidly and intelligently expands your narrative across a polished slide deck. With your initial draft prepared, you're all set to include your specifics and any unique touches. As Magic Design takes care of the bulk of the work, you'll have extra time to make your presentation truly memorable. Number 7. More magic in Magic Write. Since the introduction of Magic Write for Canva Docs last year, many users have employed this innovative technology to express their ideas. Magic Write can now be utilized across the entire visual work suite. Whether you're rewriting the description or contributing ideas to a strategy presentation, there's no longer a need to switch design formats to generate your text. Number 8. Text to Image. Text to Image allows you to generate one-of-a-kind images from a brief description in just a few seconds. Over the past 4 months, Canva users have crafted more than 60 million images using this feature. Now Canva is thrilled to announce significant improvements in image quality by boosting the resolution by 16 times while reducing generation time by approximately 68%. Number 9. Create an animation. Effortlessly draw the path for your animation, adjust the speed as desired, and witness the magic unfold. This feature isn't limited to videos, you can also incorporate it into social media designs and presentations. Number 10. Brand Hub. A comprehensive space that consolidates all the essential elements your team needs to craft consistent, on-brand designs within Canva. With easy access to brand templates, guidelines, fonts, graphics, logos, projects, and more, anyone can efficiently generate designs that align with your brand identity. Finally, as promised, I'm going to show you how to bulk create social media posts quickly and easily using Canva AI only. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Choose the type of social media post you want to create. I'll go ahead and select the Instagram post for this example. Step 2. Browse through the templates and choose one that suits your needs. I'll pick this one here. Step 3. We're going to duplicate the page by clicking on the Duplicate Page button. Step 4. Click on the text you want to edit within your design. Step 5. Click on the Canva Assistant and use the Magic Write feature to automatically rewrite the text for you. Go ahead and repeat steps 3 to 5 as many times as you'd like to create multiple post designs. You can also edit the text with Magic Write to make it even more unique or change the background color to give your post a different look. Lastly, feel free to adjust the elements as you like. And there you have it, multiple social media post designs in no time. Canva's new features are truly game-changing, and we can't wait to see what incredible designs you'll create using these powerful tools. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AI-related videos like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and happy designing.